Most people think of a duck as I'm doing this and I'm stepping in. I almost can't even do it wrong because I'm naturally pulling. But people think of me moving around him. You're not actually so much worried about moving around him as you are getting him passing over you. So when I have this duck on the same concept we talked about with shock absorbers, I'm not going to be out here on his elbows and trying to pull him from here because all the shock gets lost in his arms. What I'm actually going to do is my duck is coming from in the armpit. I'm actually hooking, usually with these two fingers, if not just the middle finger, but I'm hooking right where his shoulder connects to his body, right here. So now, as I do this, I lower my level, and I'm actually going to pull Chuck over me as I step in. So here, I'm taking a step and driving Chuck. See how he moves over me? So now, him moving combined with me moving towards him creates more force right here. I take that step, and I just basically do a squat, essentially, right here, squat, and now he's way off balance for my shots there. If I do this move and I don't pull him towards me, that's what I get, just a crappy looking, and that's the way most duck hunters are taught is, you come here, open the window, step, duck under him, and then go to work, and you're missing half of the concept there. Whereas here, I step, pull him over me. Now I have a great ability to score from there. If I'm not squatting here, the way I want you guys to feel it is if I don't get out of his way and pull him, I'm just pulling Chuck right into me. So I'm basically going to do that and get out of his way. And he goes right over the top of me. Make sense? Yep. Try that.